Show me the way. I really love you, Deja. I love you, Deja. Just give me all your love.
Around. This one was actually expensive. They do have a cheaper one though.
You know I want one.
You don't even record.
So?
It's a video though. I got it so because I already have another camera, but like with this one, when you go out in public, I don't know. So like when you go out in public and you're recording, people don't realize that you're recording because it don't really look like a camera. So then you don't feel like weird or nervous about having your phone out and stuff. I mean having the camera out.
It's not like a bonfire.
So we out here at State Fair and
Stay there. What's that?
trying to find something to eat.
Something to eat.
Okay.
We're going in later.
You on camera doing your little dance. What you order?
I just ordered some cheese fries.
What size?
Small. $8.
Small cheese fries.
But you gotta see, I just want to
I don't even see that.
I think it's like a boat.
Where do you see that? I don't see just cheese fries.
No, so I just ordered fresh cut french fries and then I added cheese with $1 for each topping.
Oh, I see.
But those are like if you want to order a specialty one. So if you order just regular fries, it's $7.
I guess I'll get some cheese fries too.
Yeah.
Hi, can I get small fries with cheese?
Small cheese fries,
Yeah.
$8.
Thank you.
That's my first up in the car.
And I had reminded you too.
It's like $4 too. Y'all wanna go on the side? You wanna go on the side, Britt?
Sure. Oh, I'm not going either.
You got cash? It's cash only.
I'm not getting on.
I know. I'm asking, can I have it?
Oh, I got $5. It's $4 each rider though.
She went all check got cash. Go on to the side. I got cash.
She don't. She.
20. I was gonna have to go to the ATM anyway. I got the 10. What's it? Alright, I'm gonna buy your next beer. What?
I'm gonna buy your next beer. Who said she's getting another
She
one?
just said she was going back to the
You don't know.
Shut up, baby. Weak ass ride. Well, maybe we can just determine based off what it tastes like. What's that one? Okay, so that's probably the red. Squeeze. They said rhubarb kind of tastes like cherry.
Ew.
Okay, what is this one?
It's nasty.
Okay.
I don't know.
This one might try.
What's that star on your wrist? Wait, I'm gonna try one. This cherry.
Okay. I would try that one. Is that the cherry one? One of them was really, really good. That's the raspberry squeeze. Raspberry squeeze in the middle?
That's good.
Yeah, try the raspberry squeeze. That's the one in the middle.
Here, what does it taste like?
Boo boo.
What does it taste like? Is that dry or sweet?
I don't like that. It's not. Yeah, it's not bad. It's just the liquor. The liquor hits you quicker than the flavor do. If that makes sense.
Yeah. I know exactly what you mean. You're right on that.
Yeah, this one, yeah. That's why I was like, ooh.
Pour them all in one cup.
That one kind of tastes like sour grape juice.
That is the try me. So it is grape, cranberry, and raspberry.
Okay, so it's a mess.
I don't know what that one tastes like.
What's this one?
Yeah.
Them are, they are Moscato, so ain't they?
Oh. That is cute. Thank you. Thanks, you too.
Next two in the yellow box side by side.
Can't take anything out of my damn pocket.
Girl, make me don't want to do no round. I was like, we go back on it, but I ain't doing no round. I done stopped up here for 10 minutes. Yeah, you better get it.
Let me put my phone up before I drop it.
Not stop to the top. Who is gonna do it? Who is winning this prize today, guys? It's a close race, it's a close call, but the gal on the end. The gal on the end, Donna, you want it, girl. Pick it out. Any prize.
It's not bad.
So really quick, my general impressions of this camera is that it's really good quality, good stabilization. It's not very shaky. If you're recording while you're walking, it is really fragile, so I will be careful about recording when you're in a crowded place, like how I was when I was recording. I kept the wrist strap on so that if somebody did bump into me, it wouldn't fall out of my hand or fall on the floor, fall on the ground or something like that. But really good camera, pricey, so definitely something you want to think about. I did purchase mine from Best Buy. I got the creator bundle with the extra accessories that come with it. So I enjoy those accessories, and they also have additional accessories that you can purchase on Amazon or maybe in store at Best Buy. So it's a lot that you can do with the camera. It's really nice. I like it. Don't feel compelled to buy it if you already have a nice camera, but I just wanted to get it because I like the idea of being able to record in public without feeling nervous or shy because people see that you're recording. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.